Let's dive into IAM roles. These act as secure bridges between AWS services, granting permissions dynamically. Unlike IAM users, they don't have permanent credentials, making them safer. Think of them as temporary identity badges for your AWS resources, practical and secure. Stick around as we break it all down. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13 plus years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. IAM roles are like guest passes, temporary and controlled access. Instead of creating separate users, AWS lets you use these roles to define permissions efficiently. Whether for users, applications, or services, they keep security tight while simplifying access management. IAM users and IAM roles, same family, different personalities. Users have passwords and access keys, while roles generate temporary credentials. Think of users as employees with permanent badges, whereas roles are like guest passes that expire after use. Security matters, and IAM roles help big time. They eliminate the risk of exposed credentials, offer temporary access, and streamline permission management. If AWS security were a game, IAM roles would be your cheat code. Alright folks, let's talk about attaching policies to IAM roles. Think of it like giving someone a key to your house, but only to the rooms they actually need. Policies define permissions, and AWS lets you attach them using the Management Console or CLI. Managed policies make life easier, while inline policies let you get creative. But remember, more power isn't always better. Stick to the principle of least privilege. Ever wanted to switch identities like a secret agent? Well, IAM roles let you do just that, temporarily of course. With AWS SDS, you can assume a role using the CLI, but make sure you provide the right parameters. Permissions and session duration, those depend on what the role allows. So choose wisely before stepping into your new AWS disguise. Cross-account access sounds fancy, but it's just AWS's way of letting accounts safely share resources, like lending a friend your Netflix password, without violating TOS, of course. Trust relationships decide who gets in, SDS tokens make it happen, and role-based permissions keep things in check. So use IAM roles wisely and let only the right guests into your AWS house. Even AWS services need permissions. IAM roles let services like EC2 and Lambda access resources securely. Service-linked roles are the lazy genius's best friend, while custom roles give you fine-tuned control. Best part, no need for static credentials, so no more who left the keys under the mat situations. Managing IAM roles isn't just about setting them up, it's about keeping them secure. Least privilege is your best friend. Separating roles keeps things tidy, and regular reviews prevent surprises. CloudTrail, that's your security watchdog, so use it wisely to monitor who's accessing what. Troubleshooting IAM roles can feel like detective work. Start by checking trust relationships and permissions, then double-check your role assumption syntax. Is AWS SDS enabled? If not, you're stuck at the login screen. IAM policies can also help debug access issues, so grab your magnifying glass and solve those IAM mysteries. And that's a wrap. IAM roles help secure AWS environments, but they need proper management. Keep up with audits, follow best practices, and never stop learning. AWS documentation is your best friend. Now go forth and conquer the IAM world, one secure role at a time. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.